how to create Google Forms document on Google Drive. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Google Forms document on Google Drive easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Google Drive and log into your account. Now this is the home page. As you can see, all what you have to do to create Google Forms document is by going here to this new option and go down to Google Forms. Click on it and it will take you directly to this page. Now right here you can edit and change anything and it will be automatically updated to your Google Drive, as you can see right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.